Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the ScrapRoom Flavors of the Month kit this month. We're playing with the PhotoPlay portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. Remember the Flavors of the Month kit? Every month, Rochelle from the ScrapRoom curates 4 little mini kits of 4 different collections for you. Each little mini kit comes with 3 pattern papers, 2 pieces of cardstock, and some embellishments. A lot of times those embellishments will vary, but that is not the case in this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit this month, because our embellishments are an entire sheet of PhotoPlay. Showers and Flowers is the collection. So let me show you what else you get in the PhotoPlay portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. Like I said, the embellishments you get are the whole 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which is awesome. I love this Happy and Bloom, this fun, lots of good garden stuff. I think I've got some good pictures I can do with that. And you're gonna get this beautiful blue cardstock. PhotoPlay is so good with their bright colors, and I love that Rochelle always pairs like a bright cardstock with their collections. So this is I almost said sapphire. Sapphire cardstock. So sapphire blue, gorgeous, very close to prize ribbon and distress, Ranger Distress inks if you are looking to do that. Pair things up. And then you're going to get 3 pattern papers, and these are going to be the same. So everything I get in my PhotoPlay kit is what you're going to get too. That's the one kit this month that everybody's going to have everything the same. All the other kits, the embellishments will vary because they're all little bits and pieces from like the embellishment or the chipboard things or whatever. So this one is everybody's going to be the same. So what you see here is what you are going to get, which is awesome. Let's see. We've got Time to Bloom. So it's a lovely pattern with lots of florals, those cute cartoony bumblebees. They're pretty cute. And the B side is this beautiful yellow. And then we get to Bee Pollen. Not surprisingly, it's a green with kind of like little white, they're like little white flowers that almost look like stars, little bees. And then the back side is like this plaid grid with tulips. And then last but not least is Spread Your Wings, a beautiful diagonal stripe. Can't go wrong with that. And beautiful butterflies. That's actually a really good pattern on the back. I like it. So those are the 3 pattern papers. And I am playing with the Freaky Fast formula, which is my favorite thing in the world. When you are stuck, the Freaky Fast formula is the best way to get out of a rut. So we're going to play with that today. The Freaky Fast formula, I don't remember who wrote it this time, but it's just 4 different cuts. So we get a 7.5 by 6.5, a 7 by 5, a 5.5 by 6.5, and a 10 by 2.5. So a lot of chunks. So we're going to have a lot of fun layers. So I'm going to get cutting, and then I'm going to pick out my photos, because a lot of times what I will do is I will cut my papers randomly first, kind of arrange them, and figure out where it would look good to have a photo. So I'm going to go see, I'm going to get cutting, and then we'll go from there, and I'll pick up some photos. Okay, you guys, I made some decisions. So I cut my papers. And since the main cuts of the Freaky Fast formula this month are these big chunks, I really liked that I had these bright, bold patterns, and I really wanted to play with all the patterns. So I got one of the blue cardstocks, and I trimmed down this tulip plaid paper, which was the bee paper, and I made that my background. And so then I wanted the big, bold other patterns on here, but I wanted them to stand out. So I used the leftover cardstock. I used up almost all my papers. I used the leftover cardstock, and after I trimmed them all out, I distressed them, and then I matted them all on that blue cardstock. So everything has a mat. And then I started laying it down, and I really liked kind of the messy nature of just kind of randomly like layering them on top of each other like this. And then having this be like my anchoring point. And I really liked this stripe as kind of my main one. So then I thought, okay, now I've got all these beautiful patterns. I looked at the sticker sheet, kind of looked at what was on there, a lot of springtime, and this puddle jumping really stood out to me. So I went and found some photos I have of my son puddle jumping, playing in muddy puddles, as it were. And I've got these. So what I've done is I've cut them down by 2 or 3x4, and I had a few extras, so I made kind of a flap. I cut it really crooked, so it's super crooked, but I cut a flap so these will be hiding underneath. And I'm going to just layer these up right here in the center. And I really liked this happy, but I wanted it to stand out a little more against my bright stripes. So what I could do is put this on white and then trim it out, is what I thought about doing. But I took advantage of the fact that I also got the embellishment add-on, and I had this Oh Happy Day just right there. So I think I'm going to take advantage of the fact that I have the embellishment add-on. I'm trying to get it so this just goes just perfectly the way I want it to here. And I'm gonna use this as my title. But like I said, if you don't get the embellishment add-on and you have the lovely sticker sheet, you could use Happy and put it on white if you wanna do a similar thing, and just put it on so that it pops off just like these letters do. So I plan on using these stickers to add some embellishments, and I also grabbed, this is a cut apart for the Shots of Life kit. I think I'm gonna grab a couple clouds, maybe a pair of rain boots, and then we've got this cute little sun, just all these things. So then we're gonna embellish. So I'm gonna get this stuff glued down the way I want it, and then we'll go ahead and do some embellishing. Here's some close-ups for you guys. I totally forgot to record this last part. But take a look at where stickers and everything is placed. I love the way this turned out. So bright and colorful. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Bye.